Today I'm really excited to chat about the Ramverk Pro backpack. This backpack has become a regular companion for me, and I also take it along on trips or when I visit my girlfriend. It's super functional and it fits right into different parts of my life, so let's dive into the details and I will share my thoughts on the Ramverk Pro 26 liters. When the backpack arrived, it was packaged really nicely and it looks really sturdy. My initial impressions were all positive. The material has a nice feel to it and it seems like something that's easy to clean, which is great. The belt buckles are made of metal and give the bag a really robust appearance. The back panel is strong and maintains the backpack shape really well. The top compartment is perfect to keep your sunglasses, wallet, PC mouse, keys and other small items secure and easy to access. Now, here's a tiny complaint. There aren't any protectors on the bottom of the bag. As you can see, the inside of the bag has a lot of space. Being someone who loves order, I purchased extra pouches to organize my items even better. These pouches are also from DBJourney and are made to fit perfectly into this bag. The seams are well finished and indicate the good quality of this bag. Besides the pleasant feel of the material, the DB logo is neatly printed on the bottom of the bag. Even the zippers are fully covered with fabric. The bag features several enclosed sections with zippers to secure your belongings. It also has a cleverly hidden laptop compartment. However, my 16-inch laptop fits, but it's a bit of a squeeze. At this point, I'm really pleased with the bag and how things are going. However, I must mention that I have only taken the backpack on a short trip to London and used it for about a month. So, I can't really comment on its durability yet. I'm planning to make another video later on to discuss how well it holds up. But for now, it pretty much has everything I need. It's not inexpensive, but personally, I believe it's worth the investment. Thank you so much for joining me as I discuss the Ramverk Pro backpack 26 liters.